Alright, hey guys, well, I say guys because I'm posting this on YouTube, but really, this is just for one person, but that's not important. Um, so, a friend of mine, you know who you are, obviously, asked me about the Solidworks stuff, because I was mentioning a project I was doing, so I'm gonna show off how I'm gesturing and I don't even have a camera on me. So I'm gonna show how SolidWorks kind of works. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a part, even though like half of the magic is in the assembly and the drawing. So you get the idea that there's like, yeah, you get the idea from that. So I'm gonna make a die, a D6, because that's a nice simple shape and it shows off a lot quite a few of the features. So first things first, I'm gonna make a sketch. I'm going to sketch on the top plane because I'm going to build it from bottom up, or whatever up. So I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to use a corner rectangle. I'm going to center the corner on the origin. There we go. So the first thing I want to do is I want to affix these guys. So I'm going to make you, you're going to be 60 millimeters. There we go. And then you are going to be 60 millimeters. You're 60. Okay. So now I've got that. So now I'm going to make the... Oop. There we go. Okay. So now, close out of that. I'm going to go over to Features and Extrude Boss Base. And 60 millimeters. There we go. And that pops up to there. You can see it's a cube. And then I had to go that. And now it exists. Or, yeah, there. Now it exists. So, alright. So now it's time to look at the top face again. Okay. Because I'm going to go like that real quick. Because I'm going to sketch on it. So I'm sketching on this plane. And now I can go back to that. So I'm first going to make my rectangle. Again, it's going to pair up to that. So it's the same rectangle. Everything there is the same. I got some in my eye. Okay. So now, what do I want? Thirds. Okay. So I'm going to make some center lines. So there's a center line. There's a center line. And there's a center line. Okay. So this one's all set. But I'm going to smart dimension them. So smart dimension there to there. And that one, what thirds? That's 60, so 50. A third of 60 is 20. Now that doesn't. Maybe I'll do 15. Yeah, that looks better. You'll also be 15. There you go. So then I'll make another set of center lines. There's set 1. Set 2. Ah, shoot. There we go. And one more center line. There we go. Center line and chapow. Sweet. So you've got that set up. Actually, I'm gonna smart dimension these guys. Okay. So now I got that set up, and I can center the. There's the. That's. What? I'm recording. I can't pause. Oh, okay. Oh well. Anyways, what was I doing? Okay, so I think I'm gonna change these dimensions. So I'm gonna try. Let's do 12 actually. Yeah, yeah. You know, I think that I think that 12s is probably better. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep the 12s. So now that I've got that, now we're going to make a circle. There we go. So there's the circle. Okay. So this is going to be our one face. And I'm going to make the one dot a little bigger, I think. No. So I'll smart dimension this. And we want the diameter to be 6. Is that what we want? No, that's way too small. I want it to be 12. Yeah. 10 maybe? Now we'll go back to 12. Alright, cool. So now that we've got this done, go OK. And we go back to features, then we go to extruded cut. And then we don't want to cut out that side, so we switch the side. No. What? Okay, we do that. Oh no, flip side to cut. There we go. Okay. And we want it to go down. It's 12, so 6. There we go, so 6 millimeters. And then we just cut it out. So that's all cut out. Now we get to do that to all the other sides. So, sketch, choose that side, make our square. Really, the square itself doesn't particularly matter. We'll do in fact, now that I've got the dimensions there, I'm not even going to bother doing anything more than these center lining. Okay, so this will be our 2. And we're going to have it go into this corner. So then we make a circle here and here. And now it's time for smart dimension. So boom, you are 12. Boom, you're 12. Boom, 12. Boom, 12. It was 12, wasn't it? Yeah, it was 12. Okay. Though for 2, I think making it there and there would probably be nicer, but I'm going to make it all uniform, so boom, 12, boom, oh shit, boom, boom, I know I already did that one, smart dimension, boom, 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 12. Alright. So there's the, okay, yeah, that looks fine. Oh wait, but if I'm gonna chamfer the edge, shit. Oh, see, this is why we do this here. So we'll do 15. Oh shit. 15, 12, 15. There we go. I don't know. I'm trying to decide here. I should have thought of this before making this video. I'll just do 12s. 12s will be fine. Okay, so then I go out because I now gotta cut thumbs. Extruded cut. So I don't want to cut this part. I want to cut it the other way. So flip side to cut. Go down 6 like before. You can see and cut that out. And then I'm going to do the 3 over here. I'm going to ignore this side of it. I don't care what you're saying. Okay, actually, yeah, I'm going to make the 3 on this side. So then sketch. So now, alright. So let's go some center lines. There you go. And then center line. Oh, shit. Oops. If you double click, which I did, it ends the line. So, there we go. Oh, I double clicked again. Oh my gosh. Okay, so center. Do center. There we go. Now, since I want to do 3, I just make 1, 2, 3 dots. Twelve. 12. 12. 12. 12. 12, and last 12 is... Oops. What am I... And last 12 is there to... There. 12. Alright. So now I exit the sketch, go to extruded cut once more. Oh look, it's doing the right part this time. That's good. Okay. So cut that down 6. What? Would it? Oh shit. It would. There's me not thinking. Okay, so I will ignore the cut extrude for right now. And I'll go ahead and do what I was going to do before. So, now I'm going to do, let's see, gonna exit the sketch. So now that sketch just exists. And I'm gesturing to nobody again. Huh. Alright, so now I'm going to do, where is it? Fillet. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to fillet here. I want the fillet to be 6 millimeters. Alright, so there's the preview you see there. So I'm going to fill it out like that. And a little pip. Now I'm going to fillet that for 1 millimeter. Yeah, that looks good. There, now that's filleted. Alright. Now it's time to fillet that and that, but do the 6 again. Shut up, gal, I don't care. I'm going to fillet that and that for the 1mm. There we go. Alright, sweet. Now I'll go back to that sketch and do the extruded cut for 6. Now it doesn't create the 0 width geometry, so now we're all set on that. So, but we will do the now we'll do the same thing here though, where we fillet these down to what, 6mm, and then okay, that's good. And then we fillet this, this, and this to 1mm. Okay. So then, you know, that's how we get the pips done, right? And those pips look pretty good. Now we are going to fillet the whole thing, though. We're going to change the propagation. Chapow, 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 and okay. Sweet. So let's do 3mm. Actually, let's do 6. No. No. Let's take a look at that. Okay, no. Control Z. So instead of that, we're just gonna whoop, and boop, boop, boop. There we go. Okay, so instead of that, we are gonna do the 3mm. Okay. So now we're gonna do that. And just like that, we have this nice little die here. And then, you know, we can continue doing what we were doing on these sides over with these guys. Which I would do, but I don't really feel like doing it. Or I will finish the die just because I want to finish the die, but I won't do it in the video just because this video is already 20 minutes. So thanks for watching, and you're welcome, Jen. Although I probably should have made it a little shorter, but you know, you get an idea of what's going on. So yeah, that's Solidworks.